Hey guys, today I'm quickly going to do a quick review of this Inco. It's a cordless screwdriver. So you're going to see in the box, they give a few bits, small booklet, and then this attachment. I want to remove a door. It's a Meranti frame door here in South Africa. Let me remove it, see if it can do the job. You're going to see some of the screws. It's like these long ones. So let's remove it, see if it's got the power for that, or is it only meant for smaller projects like maybe glasses, or maybe when you open one of your other tools or a microwave or something like that. But let me go outside and then we're going to show you quickly. Alright, as you guys could see, it did remove the screws, it did put it back, the long ones. I actually removed the entire door, worked on it, and then I put it back. You're gonna see there is a charging port. It also tells you there, type C, so it's your normal Samsung phone chargers is working there. And yeah, that's basically the review. You're gonna see it's quite small when you hold it in your hand like that. It's got a small switch here that you press there for in and out, and when you press, there's a light coming on. So thanks guys for watching. If there's any questions, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Leave the stuff in the comments.